Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to generate a lesson plan using Jeda AI. This is awesome, okay? Just take a look. Please leave a feedback below. I'm going to go with Jeda AI, just logged in now, and I got a Shift account here. You can see that, right? Okay. Now you have to go to your workspace. You can create a new workspace if you need, but I just tried with my old workspace. Now you can see here there's nothing. Actually, I'm not going to use AI menu or something like that. Just place plus sign somewhere. Now you can type. When you type, it will start typing. Okay. Now I'm going to type generate a lesson plan for grade 6 students about the nouns in English. As English teacher, okay, I will say as English teacher. This is the prompt I type, and then I will make a space. Okay, then I will type slash. Now when I type slash, you can see universal analysis, mind map, and a lot of things that you can do. Okay, but I'm going to use universal here, and then you can see Jeda AI is thinking and AI is currently generating content. Please keep in mind of its potential limitations. You just have to say okay, I will. Now you have to wait. Let's see.
Wow.
What is this? This is amazing, right? So you can see introduction, type of noun, example of usage, and activities, assessments, conclusions. Nice. Okay. Actually, there's a method called 3P. Now you think you have to make this as a 3P based lesson plan. Now I'm going to copy this. No need to copy this. Actually, you can edit this, right? So just double click on here, and then type slash. Okay, before that you have to make sure you make 3P based lesson plan. 3P based lesson plan, and then finally you can type slash, then universal. Click on universal, and then Jeda AI will do the other part. Okay.
Wow.
Presentation, practice, productions. Those are the words that you need to know. 3P. Okay. As English teacher, whoever it is, actually you must know that. And nouns in English grade 6 students. This lesson plan aims to introduce blah blah blah, and presentation, practice, production. So here are the activities that you need to do, and these are the activities for practice and production. Those are the things that you can get as a lesson plan. So I believe this is a very great tool for your teaching methodologies. Okay, actually you can follow this. Okay, you can use Jeda AI for anything that you need, but this video is about how to make lessons plan using Jeda AI. That's all. Bye. Have a nice day, and please write a feedback on a comment section, and also you can like it and like the video. You can share the video and do everything that you can do for support me. Bye.